What up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are installing our first part on a Focus ST. My roommate Connor actually is on his way home from work soon and he has a Focus ST, so we got the hookup on parts from Edge Autosport. You guys should check them out. I'll leave a link below. You guys can order through them, fast shipping, really everything there. You just look up by your car model and then order the parts you need, and then it'll suggest more parts you need, and then all of a sudden you have a crazy car because you can't stop yourself from buying parts. But inside this box, hardware, the stickers go over the holes where you take out some bolts and you don't replace them, and these are the pieces that make the wings sit higher. So these are actually pretty sweet, very good quality. Little rubber gasket so it seals good, doesn't vibrate, and dig it, link below. Connor just made it home. What up?
Sorry, I had to go race Dylan real quick. He wanted to race.
Oh, you're good.
I got smoked.
Dylan, what did you race and what was he driving?
Camaro.
Oh, you got smoked?
V6.
Oh, by V6?
Dusted.
Really? Did you have anything done to it?
No.
These dirt bike tires?
Yeah.
Ooh, for your bike?
Yeah.
First step in this process is I'm going to grab my Torx 20x4, whatever that is. Take these two guys off right here. Then pull this light out. Then disconnect the wiper. Middle one is super easy for the light. Just twist this halfway and the washer fluid one will come out. After that, go ahead and erase it. We gotta pull this center piece off. Pull it very gently, pull it off. These are 8mm. These are all actually loose. I'm not surprised. My Speed 3 wing always vibrated loose. These are the same. So there's these two right here we need to take off for the same T20 Torx. Then slowly close this, because that wing is loose now. Gently pull it off now. I'm gonna use two boxes to set the wing on. Well, the first thing you wanna do is there's all these right here. Just go ahead and slide them out. Set them aside. Kind of hard with one hand. Don't force them, just push them over. It's pretty simple. There's 3 tall ones and 2 of them have the Boomba logo. You want to put the Boomba logo ones on the side and middle, so right here and right here, so you can see it once it's on. And the middle one is blank because you won't be able to read that one. And then on the side, you have the smaller one down here. Leave them kind of loose so you can adjust it once you put it back on the car. So I have this one left that's going to go right here, and then this small one that goes on the very end, and then the middle road one goes up here. And then you can see that there's the Phillips screws right here, those two. And then these 3 in the middle of the wing all have the Allen wrench one. Next thing to do is they give you these stickers to cover up the holes in the back of the car. Basically just need to like set it on here and then line the holes up. I kind of left the screws a little bit loose so we can wiggle them. I think if we can get like the middle one in started.
Yeah, and you can, I can help you hold if you can start that middle one.
Yeah, I need to run these.
Oh, okay.
Wires through.
And then do...
There's 4 bolts that it comes with, and those are for the outside corners, and then you use the original 3 for these right here in the middle. Don't stress too hard about lining it up because the three in the middle that really hold the wing on is like super easy, and then you can get your fingers on the outside to line up the outside ones and get them perfect. These two are on over here. Just remember, use the 4 that come with the kit, and then these 3 in the middle are the stock bolts. These are good, everything's snugged up. Actually, you can see right here, this bolt is kind of off, so I'm gonna try and line those up.
That was it? That's
Yeah.
all this Ford can do? It sounds like popcorn popping in the microwave.
We gotta put that RPM way higher. I really like how it looks. I think it just, Connor said it perfect. The car looks kind of like an egg without the wing, but with the little ST spoiler, it looks a little bit better. Then you put the wing risers on and it actually looks really aggressive. So stoked how it looks. Turns out really good. It's super easy. I highly recommend this as a first mod. Links below to Edge Autosport to check out the parts, and then on Amazon you can order some tools if you want, all below. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.